All right, quick update. So I was watching some of my old videos and shit, and some of the shit I said in the past, which I somewhat am still able to relate to. But some of the shit I said, I kind of like changed my mind about. For example, I kind of said something about binding spells and how like, oh, willing participant and all of that bullshit. I take all that back. Me personally, I don't give a fuck about that. If the spirit doesn't care, I don't care. And most likely the spirit doesn't care. So that's an update. Bind whoever the fuck you want, bro. Or if you're a girl, sis, bind whoever the fuck y'all want. Word. And there's so many different ways to do it.